The universe is in constant motion, and in 2026, our moon will put on a spectacle like never before. The elegant pink moon of April, heralding the quiet awakening of spring, is going to look absolutely stunning. As the earth grows warmer, the flower moon of May bathes the world in a warm golden light. But the true magic happens on May 31st. A rare and mesmerizing blue moon takes over the sky. June closes the season with the strawberry moon, reflecting its reddish glow across silent oceans. Through the dramatic storms of July, the bright buck moon pierces the darkness. August brings the massive Sturgeon Moon, a giant hanging low on the horizon. And as autumn arrives, the crystal clear harvest moon lights up the golden fields. The air turns cold under the deep, mysterious light of the hunter's moon. But the universe saves its greatest gift for last. On December 23rd, the Christmas Eve Supermoon illuminates the freezing winter night with a blinding, magical silver light. A perfect end to a cosmic year. Let me know your favorite astronomy event in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.